Hey guys, so I'm in a classic Proton Saga. By the way, I did not drive this car, my parents drove this car, but I just want to unbox this thing right here. So I got an iPhone 13, there's a phone that's literally the iPhone 14 but cheaper. So I would say if you want an iPhone 14 but you're in budget, just get this phone. So I'm just gonna unbox it in my car and yeah, let's unbox it. I have this phone for like, what, 3 weeks now? I still did not open it because I don't know, might as well just do it now. This is so hard. Here's a phone. Would you look at that? The iPhone 13. I'll put that on the dashboard. And here's what you get. You get this pamphlet right here. So what you get is the SIM tray, some paperwork which literally nobody reads, and an Apple sticker which you can, put on a car because, if you want to. And lastly, you get a lightning to USB-C cable. Okay, so here's a phone. Let's see. This thing is still in mint condition, by the way. So let's peel this thing off. Now, turn this thing on. There we go. Okay, the phone just boot up and sadly it's on iOS 16. Okay, here's why I say iOS 16 cause I don't know why, but iOS 16 battery life sucks, so that's all I can say about it. And yeah, just unbox a iPhone 8 Proton Saga. That's nobody done it before, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And once again, I did not drive this car. My parents drove it here and I decided to unbox it here. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.